So we have a warning lamp here, and over here it's the left reverse. Okay, come on, let me show you how to. This pretty much tell you what's wrong with it. You see? Left reverse lamp. So we're gonna check it and see. So you can access the lamp in this pocket, and you can see over here, this is where the lamp assembly is. And you can pull this out by pressing this tab down. So you press this tab and this whole assembly just come out. And this is up here. Can you see it? It looks like it's burned. So we're going to try the reverse again. We're looking for this lamp. This one. That's the brake. So that is it there. Here's the number is 912. Just put in 912 lamp, and in any search engine for BMW, and it will come up. This is what it looks like. This is what the shape will look. Hope this helps. This is the reverse, this is the signal, and this is the brake lamp here. So to put it back in, it's simple. It's just the same way it came out. Just gently put it back in. You don't want to damage your light or anything like that. This is a little difficult to do. Okay, there you go. You put it until it's snapping. Just make sure this tab is there. Alright, hope that helps someone. This is to access the right side here, and it's pretty much the same on the right. It's not that difficult, it's just a regular bulb. Alright, thanks for watching.